Here are the top 4 dog moments you should never let near water. The last one is hilarious. But first, if you like dogs, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you love this puppy, drop a heart emoji in the comments. Number 4, dog versus hose. Number 3, not today, human. Number 2, he just wants to jam along.
Oh, you have to stop now. You're gonna learn.
Maybe say sit?
No, it's not good.
And the last one, skincare routine, wild edition.
Steven!